how to add multiple lines in Instagram bio. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application. Now, the next thing that you're gonna do is on the bottom part, you'll see your profile. Click on that. Now, here you will see edit profile option. Click on that, and then here you will see bio, right? So let's say you want to add multiple lines. If you click on bio here, let's just delete this one. Say if you tap on this, and on the right side you will not see the return button here. There are some phones that has that option, but for me I do not have that one. So how can you add multiple lines without it? Now here's the trick. On the bottom part you will find, or you will have to look for your microphone here, and all you have to do is to click on that microphone and say new line. For example, this one, if I click on the microphone, say new line, and it will automatically proceed here to the bottom part, or it will create a new line. And basically that is it. Again, let's do it. New line. And that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like. Now let's say you're done with that, tap on done on the upper right and tap on back here, and as you can see, you have now successfully added multiple lines on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.